I'm by the name Wandira Isha, a student from Watamu University, discussing about marketing. The question given by our lecturer, Mr. Marjan. Registration number May 18, DCOM 008U. I'll start on discussing about marketing. The term marketing means the action or business of promoting and selling products or services, including market research and advertising. Sometimes in marketing we are going to look at about product. Product is a set of tangible and intangible goods. We are having another term of services in marketing. Services is a transaction in which no physical goods are transferred from the seller to the buyer. Other terms in marketing, we have needs. Needs is a consumer or a desire for product or service, a specific benefit. Examples of needs: feeling of satiety. Food is also considered as a consumer need, because if you don't have food, you can't be satisfied. Another term have wants. A want is the desire for product or service that are not necessary. We have another term of consumer. Consumer, a person who purchases goods and services for personal use. Another thing called customer. Customer is a person who buys goods or services from a shop or business. A person of satisfied kindly with another has to deal. We are looking about the differences between consumer and customers. As used, the customer is a person who buys or purchases the product or the service, while the consumer is the person who uses the product or the services. Another difference: customer is a person who pays for goods, stock, services, whereas consumer is a person who uses the goods or services. Another difference: the customer is also known as a buyer or a client, whereas the consumer can be an individual, family, or a group of people. Why marketing is important? All of us, we have to know why marketing is important, because marketing is important everywhere. If you don't have marketing in your brain, anywhere needs marketing. Even if you are coding, it needs marketing language, because those words you bring from it, like marketing, you are like giving a proper sweetness words about your girl love in terms of marketing. That's why we are going to look at the importance of marketing, or the role of marketing in our life. Marketing is an efficient way of engaging customers. Like the way you talk, the way you advertise your product, you can engage customers. Number 2, marketing helps to build and maintain the company's reputation. The reputation company's competition. Because if the company is having a good marketeer, it can compete in the markets of the world. Number 3, marketing helps to build relationship between a business and a customer. Marketing helps to build relationship between business and a customer. When you are marketing, get customer, because you are marketing your business. Then after marketing a business and you are talking good language using marketing, you can get customers. And in printing, after getting customers, you can even earn more. Another point: marketing is a communication channel used to inform customers. You can go to other areas because you wanted to advertise your goods, then you can use marketing as a communication channel to those people so that they can know your production. Like for example, MTN, they use marketing language through putting promotions like Momo Nyabo, Momo Pay, those things. Then people they can what? People they can that promotion. People they can also earn what they can get their like other things as usual. Another point, marketing helps to boost sales in different ways. Marketing helps to boost sales. So the way you talk to the people, you can boost sales when you are selling your goods. Another, marketing helps your business maintain relevances. Another point, marketing helps to create revenue option, because if you market very well, you can increase your revenue such that all people they can what? So to all people. Another point, helps management to make informal discussion. It helps in making formal discussion when you're marketing, because you meet with other friends so that you can be together so that to market your business. Marketing we talked about even another what the types of customers in marketing. You have partial customers, new customers, regular customers, discount customers. Because discount customers keeps coming back for more. Those are regular customers. Every time they come, which means that marketing is very important in our life. Marketing is very important in the whole world, because everyone, you should make sure that you have marketing, because everywhere, even if you are studying but marketing, you're going to reach where then they ask you, what have you studied from all 2 years, but when you don't have anything, but because you have in that marketing language, you can answer that question, cited you to get jobs. Because marketing, actually no one cannot study marketing. And there by the name Wandila Issa, student of the town. May registration number May 18, the comp 0018. Thank you very much.